If you got 23 for the numerator and 24 for the denominator, you got it right. Let's see how to get that answer. I know when I add fractions, I have to have the denominators be the same. So the first thing that we need to do is find a common denominator between 12 and 8. Using the factor tree method, I know that 4 is a common factor for both 12 and 8. I know that 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 2 gives me 8. So I can multiply those together, which gives me a common denominator of 24. The next thing I need to do is create equivalent fractions that have 24 as the denominator. So I need to create an equivalent fraction for 7 over 12. Since we want to have 24 in the denominator, I know I have to multiply 12 by 2 to get 24. And whatever I multiply the denominator by, I also have to multiply the numerator by. So an equivalent fraction for 7/12 is 14 over 24. Now let's convert 3/8. We want 24 as the denominator. 8 times 3 gives us 24. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9. Now I have an equivalent fraction for 7/12, and I have an equivalent fraction for 3/8. I can now rewrite the problem using my equivalent fractions. I have 14 over 24 plus 9 over 24. When I add fractions, I keep the denominator the same, and I add the numerators. 14 and 9 is 23. This answer is already simplified because there are no factors in common between 23 and 24.